Alright guys, so I want to go over a couple of things. A lot of times people are always confused about when you have a certain cord and it does not have, it's not marked. So you have two cords that are black and you don't know which is line or which is neutral. So right now we're going to insert, and we have 120 volts. Remove the left, insert it into the bottom, we should get 120 volts. Okay, that's your line. Now this cord is marked. Black is line, white is neutral. If you insert this, this is your line. If you set your meter continuity, and poke the black, that's your line. The other is neutral. So, all right, so now you have this cord, all black, and you're installing a dishwasher and you don't know which is line and which is neutral. Keep in mind, the smooth, if you look at the cord and it's nice and smooth on this side, that's your line. How I just showed you earlier is another way of knowing. The side that has the ribs or the veins, that is your neutral. That would be the white, as in this cord. So if it's not marked, then the rib side is your neutral and the smooth side is going to be for your line. Some equipment, you have to have polarity. It has to be polarity. So very important. All right. Thanks for watching.